ready to transform scattered AI creations into a stunning, organized gallery you can be proud of. First, head over to Nano Banana and log in or create an account once you're in. Explore the AI generation tools, experiment with prompts, styles, and settings until you discover the aesthetic you want for your collection. Now, let's talk style. Nano Banana offers a huge range of artistic styles. Think about a theme for your collection. Maybe it's vibrant abstracts, realistic landscapes, or quirky pop art. Choose a style and stick with it for a consistent look. Or go for variety to show off Nano Banana's versatility. Next, start generating. Play around with different prompts to create images that fit your chosen style and theme. Don't be afraid to experiment. The magic of AI art is in the unexpected results. Now for the organization. Create a folder on your computer or within Nano Banana to house your masterpieces. Give it a catchy name like Galactic Dreams or Urban Reflections. Tagging is your best friend. Nano Banana lets you add tags to each image. Use them to categorize by style, subject, color, or any other criteria that makes sense to you. This will make it super easy to find specific images later on. Time for curation. Select your best pieces, the ones that really shine. Arrange them in a gallery layout that's visually appealing. Think about the flow, the colors, and how the images speak to each other. Finally, share your creation. Showcase your unique AI art collection on social media, your portfolio, or even print them out to decorate your space. Enjoy the fruits of your creative labor. Now you know how to make an AI art collection with Nano Banana.